What's up? I'm going to show you guys how I did my foot transformation from this into this. If you guys are interested in seeing how to do your own DIY salon pedicure at home, stay tuned. I started off by setting the mood. I went ahead and lit the fireplace. I poured me a glass of red wine. Only drink wine if you are of age. I went ahead and I lit a candle. This one is Sweet Apple from Walmart. And I put some music on. I chose slow jams. You can choose whatever music you are into. So I'm starting off by filling my foot tub with warm water. And this one is from Conair. So this is a spa foot tub, and I will link it down below. So my feet is crusty and busted, as you can see, but guess what? We're gonna transform these bad boys right now. So I'm starting off with 100% pure acetone to remove the polish from my feet. I have cotton balls as well, and a tip that I learned is to press the cotton balls on your foot and then swipe up, and literally almost every single time the polish will completely come off with like one swipe. Now it's time for goodies. I'm adding a few items into my water. I'm starting off with a few drops of peppermint oil, and honestly this part is optional, but it adds to the spa experience. I'm adding a bath bomb into the water as well. The bath bomb is going to make my water super pretty and pink. I'm adding some baby wash as well. This baby wash is my son's. It's Baby Magic. And I'm adding some lemon. I cut up the lemon and I'm just going to drop it into the water. And you're going to see in a second, but I put too much baby wash. So just keep in mind, only add a few drops if you're going to add baby wash, okay? And it feels super, super good. And my entire house smells amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up at the top right there. And it makes the bubbles occur and the heat. And I'm just rubbing my feet around, just enjoying it. And honestly, it's low-key better than actually going to the spa because I customize it. I'm going to use the other half of the lemon to run it across my toes to soften up my cuticles, as well as on any of the rough parts on my feet. The lemon is going to exfoliate the skin as well as remove any toxins. And then I'm going to let my feet soak for a little bit and just relax. Also, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share on all of your social medias. So I'm going in with this 4-in-1 foot tool. I got it from Dollar Tree. Super, super affordable. I'm using the foot file first, and then I went ahead and used the pumice side, and then I ended off with the smooth file. This tool is great to remove calluses from your feet. And then I'm going to rinse my feet off with warm water. And I'm going to use a drying towel to dry off any of the moisture that my feet received from the foot soak. And my feet is super, super smooth. I'm just showing you guys like how amazing the combination of lemon, peppermint oil, and the bath bomb was, and also the baby wash. So now it's time for the DIY salon pedicure at home. I'm using this manicure set that I got from Dollar Tree. I'm taking the clippers and I'm just clipping straight across on each toe. I'm just showing you guys right here. I have the funniest looking pinky toe like ever. It's super, super creepy, but like, hey, it makes me super unique. So now I am using a fake nail to push back my cuticles. My kit did not come with a cuticle pusher, so if you have one, use one. If you don't, you can totally be like me and improvise and just use a fake nail to push back your cuticles. Honestly, it does the same thing. So I'm just using the nail to push back each of my cuticles. Again, let me know if you guys are enjoying this DIY salon pedicure at home by liking, commenting, and subscribing to your girl channel. I'm using the nail filer to file the top of my nails. And I'm also going to use the nail filer to go under the nail to get any of the yuck and gunk from under each nail. So the next step I'm doing, and I'm just going to clip the cuticles a little bit using the toenail clipper that was in my kit. Be cautious with this step. I know you can damage your cuticles, so if you are not completely comfortable, I would say skip this step, but I went ahead and clipped it as I seen fit. And also the pedicure comes out looking so much better if your cuticles are clipped. So it's up to you, honestly. So I had clipped each of my cuticles. Now I'm just going to use the brush that came with the foot tool to brush off any of the debris. And I'm going to go in and file each toenail. Next, I'm going to buff each nail. I got this buffer from Walmart. It's a 4-in-1, and basically the buffing is going to make my nails smooth, and it's totally important and it's necessary if you're going to file each toe like I just did, and it's going to make the polish application completely smooth and seamless. Now I'm going to brush off any of the debris. And if you guys can see, my toes look super good already, and it's like I'm not even done. So doing all these steps like actually makes a difference. So I'm just showing you guys what the 4-way buffer looks like. So it has 4 sides. So now it's time to add moisture back into those feet. I am using Vaseline to moisturize my feet. You are welcome to use lotion, but for me, Vaseline works the best, and honestly, it lasts longer. Let me know down below what you guys use to moisturize your feet. So now I'm just showing you guys the polish I'm going to use for my toes. It's from Salon Perfect, and like I said, look in the description after you are done watching this video, and you guys will see the exact kind I use. So before I polish my toes, I'm going to wipe my toes off with some polish remover, and we're gonna start with the polish. Literally, I love this is my favorite color, and it looks so good on dark skin. Like, it makes my toenails pop. So basically, I just clean up as I go using my nail to get any of the imperfections. And I am using tissue right here as my toe separator because I could not find a toe separator even like at Walmart or the dollar store. So back to the nail polish. I'm just applying a thin layer to the nails. I know it looks a little janky, the first layer, but once you put the second layer on, like literally, you're going to see that transformation, okay? Don't even trip. So basically, I go from the bottom of the nail and then I move to the top. So that's how I paint my nails. So as you see here, they look janky. Don't trip. Check out the next clip. So my toenails on the right have 2 coats of polish. And like as you see, my toenails on the left, I am putting the second coat on. And yeah, it gets better, sis. It gets better. You must put 2 coats of polish on your toenails if you want them to look like they came from the salon. So now I'm going to take a Q-tip with a little bit of acetone on it, and I'm going to clean up the imperfections. Be really careful on this step. I would prefer you guys to have a little bit of an imperfection instead of messing up your entire toenail by taking too much polish off. Trust me, no one's going to notice unless they're literally sucking your toes, okay? So here we go. We have 2 coats of polish on our toes. It's looking good. It's looking good. And now for the last step, we're going to put on a clear coat. So the clear coat that I'm going to be using is from Sinful colors. Yes, so I'm going to apply just 1 coat of that, and then we will be done. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your girl video. Also, check the description and check out another video that I'm going to post. I'm going to be doing a manicure on my hands, and it's going to come out just as bomb. So So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY salon pedicure at home. Go ahead and save your coins, sis, and hit your girl up in the comments and let me know how it went.